Have you ever stared at hundreds of journal articles, dozens of open browser tabs, and a looming deadline, wondering how you'll ever make sense of it all? Perhaps you're working on a thesis, dissertation, research proposal, or journal manuscript. Maybe you've spent entire weekends reading papers only to realize you still haven't identified the research gap you're looking for. If that sounds familiar, then today's tutorial could completely change the way you conduct research. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how researchers around the world are beginning to use Claude AI not just as a chatbot, but as a genuine research assistant. More importantly, I'll show you how to use it strategically so that it enhances your work without compromising academic quality or integrity. But here's the interesting part. Most people are using only a tiny fraction of Claude's capabilities. They're asking simple questions, generating quick summaries, and then moving on. Meanwhile, experienced researchers are building entire research workflows inside Claude that save them dozens of hours every month. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they do it. Let's begin. Imagine you're starting a new research project. You have an idea, but it's still vague. You know the topic interests you, yet you're not entirely sure how to transform that interest into a strong research question. This is where many researchers become stuck before they even begin. Instead of struggling alone, imagine having an intelligent research partner that can help refine your ideas, identify potential directions, and organize your thinking from the very beginning. That's where Claude becomes incredibly useful. One of the first things I recommend is creating a dedicated research project within Claude. Think of it as establishing a virtual research office where all your documents, discussions, and insights remain organized in one place. Why is this important? Because research is rarely completed in a single sitting. It evolves over weeks, months, and sometimes years. The ability to maintain continuity across your work can make an enormous difference in productivity. But setting up a project is only the beginning. The real magic starts when you teach Claude how to think alongside you. Most users never do this. Instead of giving random prompts, successful researchers provide Claude with context. They explain their field of study, their objectives, and the role they want Claude to play. Suddenly, the responses become more focused, more relevant, and considerably more useful. Now here's where things become truly interesting. Imagine uploading 20 journal articles related to your topic. Normally, reviewing that amount of literature would require days or even weeks of careful reading. Yet Claude can help you navigate that mountain of information far more efficiently. What if you could instantly identify the common themes appearing across multiple studies? What if you could discover where researchers disagree? What if you could pinpoint the exact gaps that future studies should address? These are often the most difficult parts of conducting a literature review. And this is where Claude begins to demonstrate its value. Rather than simply summarizing individual papers, Claude can help connect ideas across documents, revealing patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. Many researchers spend months searching for a meaningful research gap. What if that gap is already sitting quietly inside your literature collection, waiting to be discovered? As we move deeper into the research process, another challenge emerges: developing a strong research proposal. This stage often feels intimidating because every component must align perfectly. The problem statement, objectives, research questions, methodology, and expected outcomes all need to support one another. A weakness in one section can affect the entire proposal. But what if you had a tool capable of helping you refine each section systematically? Claude can help researchers brainstorm objectives, strengthen problem statements, refine hypotheses, and even suggest methodological approaches based on the research context provided. Of course, generating ideas is one thing. Evaluating them critically is another. And that brings us to one of the most powerful applications that many researchers overlook: peer review. Imagine being able to upload your manuscript and ask Claude to examine it like a journal reviewer. What weaknesses would it identify? Would it detect logical inconsistencies? Could it uncover unsupported claims? Would it point out methodological concerns before reviewers ever see your paper? The answers can be surprisingly insightful. Many researchers discover weaknesses in their work long before submission, giving them an opportunity to strengthen their manuscripts and improve their chances of publication. But even after conducting a thorough literature review, developing a strong proposal, and refining your analysis, There's still one challenge that frustrates researchers at every academic level: writing. Academic writing is difficult, not because researchers lack ideas, but because translating complex ideas into clear, persuasive, and scholarly language requires a different set of skills altogether. This is another area where Claude can be remarkably helpful. Imagine transforming dense, complicated paragraphs into concise, readable academic prose. Imagine strengthening arguments, improving transitions, and enhancing clarity without losing the original meaning of your work. The result isn't merely better writing, it's better communication of your research. And as every successful researcher knows, great research deserves great presentation. Now, before you become too excited about the possibilities, there's something important we need to discuss. AI is powerful, but it isn't perfect. This is where responsible researchers separate themselves from careless users. The most successful academics do not blindly trust AI-generated content. They verify sources, validate claims, cross-check evidence, and maintain full responsibility for every word that appears in their work. In other words, they use Claude as an assistant, not as a replacement for scholarly judgment. And that distinction matters, because the future of research isn't about humans competing with artificial intelligence. It's about researchers learning how to work alongside it effectively. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means that whether you're an undergraduate student writing your first proposal, a master's student preparing a dissertation, a PhD candidate navigating a complex research project, or an experienced academic seeking greater efficiency, Claude offers opportunities to transform the way you work. The researchers who learn these skills today will likely enjoy a significant advantage tomorrow. The question is no longer whether AI will become part of academic research. The question is whether you'll learn how to use it effectively. And now that you've seen what's possible, you're already one step ahead. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I'm Dr. Pauline, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring practical tools and strategies that can help you become a more productive, efficient, and successful researcher.